Real quick, we got a 2011 Ford F-150. We're changing the passenger side view mirror. Let me show you what we got right quick. So, pop out this tab right here. It's a little cover, 1 8mm bolt behind there. You pop off the square in here, 8mm bolt in there. Boom, take that out. You got two 6mm, one right here, running in here and running in here. Pop those out. You can lift your panel up and off. You ain't got to remove it all the way. Just kind of let it hang in there with the clips at the bottom. Access your 11mm bolts there. Take them out. Put the new one in. Put it back to the electrical connector right there. Plug that back in. Good to go. New bolts were 10mm. Old bolts were 11mm. Now reverse the process and put it back together like that. We got our 8mm bolt back in there, our 8mm bolt back in there, our 6mm there, and our 6mm here. Door trim is properly lined up. Everything is good to go. Reinstall your little clip cover there, and your mirror is good to go. Install your window switch and the wiring.